Welcome to our educational journey on understanding and preventing kidney stones, a common yet often misunderstood health issue. Kidney stones are solid deposits of minerals and salts that can form inside your kidneys, varying in size from as small as a grain of sand to as large as a marble. Let's dive into the causes of kidney stones. First and foremost, dehydration plays a major role. Not drinking enough water can lead to concentrated urine, making it easier for stones to form. Next, consider your diet. Consuming high levels of oxalate-rich foods like spinach and nuts, excess sodium from processed foods, and large amounts of animal protein from red meat can increase your risk. Genetics also has a hand in this issue. A family history of kidney stones can make you more susceptible. Additionally, certain medical conditions, such as urinary tract infections, hyperparathyroidism, and inflammatory bowel disease, can contribute to the likelihood of developing stones. Now let's focus on prevention, an empowering approach to manage kidney stones. Staying hydrated is crucial. Drinking plenty of water helps to dilute your urine, reducing the concentration of minerals that can lead to stone formation. Diet modification is another vital step. Limit foods high in oxalate, sodium, and animal protein. Instead, embrace a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, which are high in citrate, a compound that helps prevent stone formation. Monitoring your calcium intake is also important. Ensure you're getting enough calcium from foods like dairy products, as insufficient calcium can actually increase the risk of stones. Controlling your weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise is beneficial as well, since obesity is linked to a higher risk of kidney stones. In some cases, medication may be necessary. Your doctor can prescribe treatments to prevent certain types of stones, especially if you have a history of recurrent issues. Finally, regular medical checkups are essential. By understanding the causes and embracing these preventive measures, you can reduce your risk of kidney stones and maintain better overall kidney health. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, a healthy lifestyle is your best defense.